Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. So as you can see here, we have 18. So we have military time 24-hour display. So in case you want to switch to the 12-hour display or the other way around, I'm going to show you how to do it. In your home screen, so where we have the time and day display, we are going to press and hold the set recall button. In case you are not in your home screen, press the mode button and go past the third alarm, and then you are going to arrive in your home screen. We are going to press and hold the set recall button, and now I'm going to use the mode button to go past the setting of the hours and the date, and then after the year, the next setting is going to be the 24-hour display. So here I have military time 24, this is what I prefer, but in case you want to switch, I can go to 12, 24. You can also use the stop reset button. I'm going to leave it at 12 so that we can see a change, and in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the set recall button, and now I have the 12-hour display, so 6 p.m. In case you prefer the 24-hour display, you are going to leave it at 24. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Timex Ironman Triathlon, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well to a guide where you can learn how to replace the watch battery. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.